How does honey benefit oily skin?
Hello, skincare enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a sweet, golden ingredient that's probably sitting in your pantry right now, honey. More specifically, we're talking about how honey can benefit oily skin.
What makes honey beneficial for oily skin?
The first thing to understand is, what makes honey so great for oily skin? Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps keep your skin moist but not oily. It does this by drawing moisture from the air into the skin and ensuring it's retained in the layers where it's needed most for penetrating, long-lasting hydration. In addition, honey has natural antibacterial properties. This is beneficial for oily skin, which tends to be more prone to acne, because these properties can help fight off acne-causing bacteria.
How does honey control oiliness?
Honey can help control oiliness in a few ways. First, by providing the skin with the moisture it needs, the skin doesn't have to produce as much oil. When skin is dehydrated, it often responds by producing more oil as a way to compensate. So, by using honey, which is an excellent moisturizer, we can prevent this overproduction of oil. Secondly, honey's antibacterial properties help keep pores clean. When pores are clogged with excess oil and dead skin cells, it can lead to breakouts. By keeping the pores clean, honey helps reduce the chances of this happening.
How to use honey for oily skin?
So how exactly should you go about incorporating honey into your skincare routine? One of the easiest ways is to use it as a face mask. Simply apply a thin layer of raw, organic honey to your clean face, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. You could do this once or twice a week. Remember, it's always important to do a patch test before trying a new skincare product or ingredient, even natural ones like honey. Apply a small amount to your inner wrist or elbow and wait 24 hours to see if any reaction occurs. So, that's the buzz about honey and oily skin. It turns out that this natural ingredient has some serious skincare benefits, from providing much-needed hydration to fighting off bacteria. Give it a go and embrace the sweetness of honey for a balanced, glowing complexion. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more skincare tips and tricks.